Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a business listing with Google My Business, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Google My Business website. Click on the Start Now button located in the upper right corner. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Enter your business name in the provided field. If your business appears in the drop-down list, select it. If not, click on the option that says Add your business to Google. Choose the appropriate category for your business from the drop-down menu. Fill in the address section with your business's physical location. If you operate in a service area instead, click on Yes and provide the relevant service areas. Ensure to provide accurate contact information, including your phone number and website URL. Choose whether you want to receive updates and recommendations from Google. Click on Finish to proceed to the verification step. You will be prompted to verify your business via mail, phone, or email. Select the method that suits you best and follow the prompts. If you choose mail, wait for the postcard from Google to arrive at your business address. Once you receive the postcard, sign in to your Google My Business account again. Enter the verification code located on the postcard. After successful verification, you can now update your business profile. Add essential details such as business hours, services offered, and photos. Ensure that all the information is complete and accurate. Consider adding a business description to enhance your listing. Keep your profile updated with regular posts and updates. Engage with customer reviews by responding to feedback, both positive and negative. Utilize insights provided by Google My Business to track customer interactions. Monitor your listing regularly to ensure it reflects any changes in your business. Incorporate posts and offers to attract more customers. By following these steps, you will effectively deploy and manage your Google My Business listing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.